In this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to create an interactive dashboard that pulls data from your Mixpanel account. And to do this, I'm going to use the free online web app StyleBI. So to start off with, I signed into StyleBI, going to click Connect to Data Source, going to scroll down and click on Mixpanel. Here it is. Click Create. And next, I need to enter my API secret. To find your API secret, log into your Mixpanel account. Then, on the bottom left menu, click on the gear icons for settings. Then, click on Project Settings. Under the section Access Keys, you can copy your API secret. Once you have your API secret, paste it into the section labeled as such. Then click OK. Next, click Create Query. Select Mixpanel Queries. And for this dashboard, I'm going to use the Engage endpoint. This endpoint requires a project ID. To get your project ID, observe the URL that is in the browser when you are signed into your Mixpanel account. The string of numbers that comes after the word project in the URL is your project ID. Once you have the project ID, paste it into the section labeled as such. Scroll down, click OK. Next step is to save my data worksheet. Click OK. Next step is to click Create Dashboard. And I'm not going to use the visualization recommender for this dashboard, so I'm going to click Finish, then click Continue. Then I'm going to save my blank dashboard. Click OK. Next, I'm going to edit my blank dashboard. Okay, so for this dashboard, I think I would like to have a map chart that shows the breakdown of engagement by country. So I'm going to begin by pulling out a chart. I'm going to resize it just a little bit. Click Edit, click through to Full Editor, and I'm going to select Map on my chart menu. Click the check mark. Now, when I make a map chart, I need to set a column as my geographic. So I'm going to select country. Click on the menu, click Set Geographic. Check my settings here, Map of the World, Country Layer, using built-in mappings. Click OK. Next, I'm going to drag country into the geographic section, making a map. And I think I would like the countries on the map to change color based on their totals. So I'm going to drag total into the color section. Okay, now I'm going to click Finish. Going to make a little more space and hide my ledger here. Right click, hide legend. And this map looks a little cluttered with all of the abbreviations for all of the countries that are in the data set. So I think I'm going to remove those. I'm going to right click, select properties, click on the advanced tab, uncheck show values, click OK. And now that I've cleared that up, I think I'd like to zoom in on my countries that have the most activity. So I'll use this plus button here to zoom in as much as I need to. And I'll use these crosshairs here to turn on pan so that I can center the countries with the most activity. Going to zoom in just a little more still. Hold down just a little more. Perfect. Okay, so now I have a map chart that shows the countries with the most engagement, and I can view the data for each by hovering over. But I think I would like to see the data at the detail level, so I'm going to drag out a table next to my chart. Going to resize the table a little bit so that it fits well with the map. Click Edit. And I think I'm going to include country in my table. And I'm also going to include first name and last name and the address. Click Finish. So now, in addition to my map chart, I have a table that displays the detail level row data of the people who are providing me with engagement. But I think I would like to make it so that my map chart can be used to filter my table. So I'm going to select the map chart, right click, select properties. I'm going to click on the general tab, scroll down. Under flyover, select table as my flyover. And now my map chart functions as a filter for my table. So if I hover over any of these countries, the table will change and I will see the individual people who have been giving me interaction in each of those countries. And I can click on one of the countries and the table will remain showing just the people from that country who have given me engagement. And that's how you create an interactive dashboard that pulls data from your Mixpanel account.